how to set up monthly subscriptions on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can install an integration into your Shopify store and make it or make your subscription live. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over shopify.com, sign up for an account and open up your store. Once you are here, you're going simply to create right there the store. So you are going to head over the online store, select your theme, and you are going to be here. Well done. So then you're going simply to add the products. Here we have the products because here with the products we can go ahead and make some subscriptions. For example, if you are going to sell some cosmetics or makeup and beauty products, so you can go ahead and put a subscription for the people that will buy it here. Instead of buying each month one product or three products, you're going to pack them into a box, or for example a special pack, and then you are going to set up the subscription for them. So here, to be able to do the subscription, you're going to head over the menu right there, or the home page, click on the search bar at the top of the header, then you're going to type in subscription, and then we are going to search for the subscription on the Shopify App Store. We have an integrated Shopify subscription app, so we are going to use it, or you can go ahead and use any of the third-party apps right there. As you can see here, we have Shopify, we have Trust subscription app, we have Joy subscription app also, which is very well known, and especially is built for Shopify. We have Seal and etc. So I'm going to use the standard one right there, but it is up to you to use whatever suits you well. So we are going to use this one, which is the Shopify integral here subscription app. So as you can see here, we have the developer, which is Shopify. We're going to open it and install it. So in my case, it is already installed. So we are going simply to visit the subscription. So I'm going to head over here, continuously press on the mouse and put it at top. After installing the app, you're going to follow up the guide. Here we have the first thing: create your first subscription plan, import existing contracts, add subscription to product pages, allow customers to manage the subscription, and customize the notification. So we are going to begin with the first one, which is creating the plan. We're going to set up here makeup, for example, or cosmetic, or monthly cosmetic, for example, like that. And for the purchase option title, you can go ahead and subscribe and save up to, for example, 15% off, like that. Boom. Now for the products, you're going to pack up here the product. For example, let's say that this is a product or a cosmetic product. We're going to also add this one, and let's finish with maybe this one. So we are going to click on select. Boom, here we have added 3 products. And then you're going to set up here or offer the discount or a percentage off frequently, or delivery frequency. So 1 per month. The percentage off is going to be, for example, 10%. You can add another here percentage, or the delivery frequency 2 per month, for example, and then we are going to give them here 12% off, and here we have 3 times per month, 15%. Boom. Now we have created our plan. We are going to click on save. Boom, here we have it. Now we are going simply to head over there, back to the app, And we can go ahead and import the existing contracts, but we are not going to do that. Here we are going to add the subscription widget, which is a very here favorable to do. So we are going to wait right there. And so we are going to see here subscription widget will only show on products that will have a subscription plan. So we are going to add here the product or select the product. So I'm going to select from these products right there or change this product to the first one. So this subscription will be in here with this one. As you can see here, we have the purchase options, which is the subscription. So we have one-time purchase, subscribe and save 15%, delivery every month 15% off, subscribe and save up to 15%. This is a old subscription or plan that I have created, of course. So I'm going to let you see it. This is out of us. This is the plan. So I'm going to delete it. It is related to that product. So I'm going to refresh this page and you're going to see that it is, or it will be gone. So we're going to wait right there for a few seconds and hopefully it is the same product. Here we have it. So this is it. This is the one-time purchase and this is the subscription. Delivery every month. For example, delivery every 2 months, delivery every 3 months, we have 3 or 15% off. So this is the subscription plan. You can go ahead and use it for all of the quantities and also the capacities and etc. So make sure that you are going to use a product that will be set. For example, this one, I don't find it as a product or a cosmetic product because here we are going simply to set up an image for the demonstration. So you are going to create a pack, for example, like that, and go ahead and modify the delivery. For example, the delivery frequency, the interval is going to be, for example, every 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. The 1 and 2, 3 months are very far away. So we are going to set up as weeks. And here we have it for right there. So now let's talk a bit how we can go ahead and change the position of the subscription box. So we are going to head over the Shopify online editor. So we are going to head over here and we are going to select the product page and see the standard one. So we are going normally to head over here. So we are going to see that specific area, which is going to be here, the home page. We're going to select from the home page here, the products, and then we are going to select the standard template. So we are going to change the preview here to the page that we are going to set the subscription. So it will show up. Now, as you can see here, we have the subscription box. We're going to head over here to the left side of the screen. We have the header. We have the template and we have everything. So we are going here to see that we have a subscription box. And this is the subscription box or the subscription widget with the logo. You can go ahead and customize the color of it. For example, for the body, the dividers, the background, and etc. You can go ahead and set the supporting text, which is going to be here, supporting here purchase options, for example, or subscriptions, subscriptions, and here we have the subscription policy. You can go ahead and link it to a page right there if you have it. So basically here we are going simply to put it here like that. You can go ahead and change the position of it by clicking on the 6 dots right there and drag and drop it where you want. For example, here above the quantity selector, it will pop up here. So this is the quantity selector and this is it. And here we have it. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.